Congratulations and welcome. I'm looking very forward to mentoring you and helping you to create passive income. Now, below this video is the link to access the training website. So please click that now. So please pause the video. Go and do that step now. Once done, you can come back to this video and then resume the video. Now, on the website, you're going to see this little icon over here. Maybe there are going to be other icons here when I add different courses, but for now you're going to click on that link there, and then you're going to click on the understanding of the website and then go and do your Discord installation. Now, Discord is where I hold my community and where my community is and where we educate you and the community members. Now, please be advised that there is a scammer on our Discord community and we cannot get rid of him. We don't know how he's there and we don't know what to do about it. We've spoken to Discord and nothing ever gets done. The point is, we'll never send you a direct message on Discord. When you have installed Discord and you've joined the Discord community, the first thing that I'd like you to do is to read the rules of the Discord, and then over here under new arrivals, please can you just introduce yourself and say that you've just joined and you've paid, and then you can just put your full name and surname so that I can track it back to your payment and then add you to the various groups. So those are your first steps immediately. Then hopefully within 24 hours of you joining, I will send you a series of emails with your VPS login details, and then you can go back to the training website and start linking your Forex account to the VPS. Once you have created your account and you're on Discord, you can go over to creating your Forex account and setting up your Forex account while you're waiting for the VPS login information. So go ahead and do those steps. The next thing that I think that you should do is on your Chrome browser, just click on the star, and then you can click on create another folder and call it Forex, and then bookmark the training website, and I'll be sending you other website addresses on the Discord community. When I do, I recommend that you also bookmark those pages so that you can get access and you know exactly where to find everything related to your Forex journey. So I would create a specific folder called Forex, and I would definitely add it to your bookmarks bar. So I'm just going to cancel that. So there's mine, and I've got all my different things related to my Forex journey. So go ahead and do those steps. Now, I just want to inform you that on the Discord, we have paid administrators that are going to be looking after you, and your questions will be answered in the EA setup group initially. Once you've set up your robot and you're trading and you want to learn how to get more passive income and start increasing your profitability on the robot, you can then start posting your questions in the EA strategies group. Now, just to let you know, you don't have access to the EA clients yet, as you haven't introduced yourself on the new arrivals group. So as soon as you've introduced yourself on the new arrivals group, I will then add you to the paid groups so that you can get access to everything. So that's how this program works. We're going to do everything on the Discord community. I will WhatsApp you and call you to see how you're doing and where you are with your progress, so that we can help you to get this set up as fast as possible so that you can start making passive income. If you have any questions, you do have my WhatsApp number. You're welcome to WhatsApp me and I can answer some of your questions, but please take note that all training will be done on the Discord community. So enjoy your journey. I know that you're going to love this. And again, I'm looking very forward to helping you make passive income. So I'll see you on my training website and on the Discord community. Cheers.